You ever notice how yawning feels so good? It's not just a sign of boredom. It actually cools down your brain. When you yawn, you're taking in a big gulp of air, which helps lower your brain temperature. This little trick can help you feel more alert and reduce stress. Think about it. When you're stressed, your brain can get a bit overheated, just like a computer. Yawning is like hitting the refresh button. Plus, it's contagious. When you see someone yawn, it triggers your brain to do the same. So next time you catch yourself yawning, remember, it's not just a sign of sleepiness. It's your brain's way of saying, hey, let's chill out for a second.